Hello everybody, it's Mario vs. Doom here. I'm really excited because I just got something new and it's a Rubik's Cube. Anyway, here are the Rubik's Cubes that I have right now. The smaller little cube, it's not solved yet. This cube, it's solved. This cube, yes, it's solved, but it's still in the box. It's special. I need to solve this one before I solve this. Anyway, I picked up something that even Super Mario Logan doesn't have. Or, no, wait, not Super Mario Logan. Not Super Mario Logan. Okay, XX Rubik's Cube XX. He's the guy that loves Rubik's Cubes. He has the keychain and all the others. He doesn't have the icon or this. I'm going to be unboxing this. It's this new Super Mario Brothers for DS Rubik's Cube. And I'm going to be unboxing it. So, here we go. And it looks like, I know that, it looks like all the instructions are in Japanese. Lucky for me I have regular ones, so instead of the English version, but oh well, it's Japanese, so yeah. And okay, here's plastic. There we go. Crap. And here's the stand. New Super Mario Bros. And okay. And okay, how do I get this dang thing out of there? I think there we go. Okay, it's got plastic around it.
Would your scissors help to start it?
Yeah. I'm cutting nothing, darn. Okay.
Let's see. Maybe if I don't have nails.
It would work if you had nails.
Can you pinch the plastic? Get a little hole in it where you can tear it?
Crap! Why do you have to put plastic on this thing? It's not like it's gonna break or something. Two hours later. Finally. There you go. Come on, Chubs.
What's on the sides?
Wow, it's really loose. Anyway, so this Rubik's Cube has it's old, but there is another Rubik's Cube that I didn't want in the picture, but never mind. This one I haven't solved yet, but I have got the white side on. Now this one isn't that loose, but it's, maybe I'll just bring it out here. But this one has a major clicking problem, but it turns fast. Yeah, it turns pretty fast.
What pictures are on the sides?
Okay, the pictures on the sides. The white side is Bowser Jr. See, there's Bowser Jr. The yellow side is the little question mark block. The orange side are the Goombas. The green side is none other than Luigi. The red side is Mario. The blue side, the tortoise, and yeah. That's it. That's all.
The blue side is what?
The blue side is the tortoise. You know, the little turtle. See?
Koopa.
Yeah, the Koopa. And
they're the same size.
yeah, and the red side, the white side, and the right side. Yeah. Just to let you know, all the instructions are in Japanese, so if you're a Japanese style, yeah. I wish I had a Japanese version of this movie. But this is really loose. I mean, you could probably scramble it like really fast, like woo 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 and stuff. My mom just got a crap like a freaked out look. So this is a really cool thing, thingy.
Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, and it's really cool. Oh crap! I can do this, okay? I can do this. Rest in peace. I messed it up.
Anyways, that's a review of unboxing Super Mario Rubik's Cube.
Yes.
Cut.
No.